日本語助かる。助かるman. What's your favorite Japanese word? I like the word 信じる in Japanese. What's your favorite Miyazaki movie? Ponyo. Ponyo is my favorite Miyazaki movie. Ponyo, Ike, 好きだね。yeah. Oh god, Ponyo is such a cute movie. Hold on, I get a stretch. A little owl before? I don't think I have. Your big smart eyes and hair color are much alike. What's more, you guys all look magical. I have not been called an owl before, but I would be very flattered at the comparison because I think that owls are so adorable. There's so many cute compilations on YouTube of owls just being adorable. If I ever go to Japan, one of the things, you know how there's like animal cafes? I know that there's owl cafes. And I really, really want to go to an owl cafe. That would be so much fun. And just like feed a little owl or something. That would make me so, so happy. フクロウカフェ気になります。僕もめっちゃ行きたい。アイク君はオリジナルとリメイクどっちが好き？オリジナル、リメイクは大嫌い。リメイクはリメイクはゴミ。全然好きじゃない。Oh, there was one scary thing that happened once at Gröna Lund. They had this one ride called the Flying Carpet that is just a sort of flat thing with a lot of people sitting. And then it starts swinging you around in sort of like a circular motion. It's a lot of fun. But when I went there, I was young and I was very small. And the person that sat down next to me on that row was not very small. In particular, they were of the larger variety. And I'm not trying to like be discriminatory here or anything. Like, it's nothing like that. But it did lead to the whole thing that you pull down to keep yourself safe. It did not go down all the way. So small Ike was sitting there with the thing that is meant to be over my legs and keep me safe, and it was not all the way down. So I kept flying up, and I had to hold on to this thing to not fly out of my seat and off the ride. And I was terrified the entire ride because I thought that I was going to die. I was terrified. I'm gonna stretch again! OGP, 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 OG. Fuck you!